Hello students! In this video I'm going to walk you through sharing a Google slide so your group can complete it for your biome project. First, from google.com we will click on the apps link. Make sure you are logged in. We will go down to Google Drive. We're going to click there and open up our Google Drive. One person from your group will do this part. Okay? This one person, you will come over to here and you will click on the New button. Then you're going to click on Google Slides. This will open up a new tab with your blank slide. Okay. Before you start working on your slide, you, single person for the group, will have to share it with your group members. You're going to click on this button over here, that's a yellow button that says Share. The first thing is you're going to give your presentation slide a title. Let's go with Tropical Rainforest Biome. And we're going to also include our class hour. So for example, we'll do first hour. Then we're going to save it. Okay. Once we save it, the title, now we'll be able to share our presentation. So first, we can do it a couple of ways, but let's start with our restricted. So we're going to do anyone with the link and then change that to an editor. So if they have access to the link, you can put them as the editor. Now, we can copy the link and email this to another student, or we can actually just type their email in here. I'm going to share this with my co-teacher so I can go through the full process. So now she has the option of being an editor. So when you are finished, it will be sent. All right, now for everyone else in the group, we're going to go ahead and go back to our Google Drive. Okay, so let's open up Shared with Me. So I asked my co-teacher to share her slide with me as well. So here I got Tropical Rainforest Biome, shared by Ms. Charnel, my co-teacher. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. Now there's hers, but she didn't put in our class period, so let's go ahead and fix that to where it says first hour. All right? And now everyone will be able to see that at the same time. So now everyone in the group is access to the same slide at the same time. Across the toolbar, you will find some important tools that you can click on. So first we have our mouse. So this will allow us to just click wherever we need to. We have the text box, an insert image, insert shapes, insert lines. We could change our background. We can change the layout. And we can even click on theme. Here's an example. So we can click on theme and Google Slides will give us a couple examples. If we want to go away from our themes, we just press the X. Now, you've got your general blank slide for everybody to work on. This will update for everyone at the same time. So as someone clicks to add a title, which will go Tropical Rainforest Biome, and we can do our first hour. Now, this is not a complete slide. Remember, you have to reference your assignment to know what information must be included. Happy building!